y'all, Miss Dillon here, and I have a way for you to remember how to divide or multiply when you're converting measurements. Okay, so you probably just heard that when you go from a large measurement to a small measurement, you multiply to convert. And when you go from a small measurement to a large measurement, you divide to convert. But how are we supposed to remember that? Well, Ms. Dillon has a way that I learned in elementary school that I still use to remember what I need to do when I'm converting measurements. So, here's the first thing you have to learn. For the big measurements, I want you to stretch your arms out really wide as you can. You can see Miss Dillon has both of her arms stretched out. All right, so this is your large measurement, arms stretched out. When you have a small measurement, I want you to cross your arms, almost like a karate chop, where they're crossed and they make an X in front of your body. So this is our small measurement. So let's do our big measurement again. Arms are stretched out all the way across. Pretend that my head is a dot and my belly is a dot. I'm making a division sign, okay? Now our small measurement. It's an X. And remember, we use an X when we want to multiply. All right, so here's how you remember what you need to do. Division, multiply. Large measurement, small measurement. Okay, so if I'm converting kilometers to meters, kilometers is my big measurement, so I'm going to start there. I'm going from kilometers to meters, so I go from big to small. I need to multiply. If I'm converting centimeters to meters, I'm starting with centimeters, which is smaller, so I'm going to start with my X, and then I'm going to switch to meters, which is bigger, and I need to divide to convert that. So when you're converting large to small, you multiply. When you're converting small to large, you divide. All right, guys, Miss Dillon still uses this to this day, and I learned it in elementary school. I hope it helps you as well. Remember, large to small, you multiply. Small to large, you divide. You got this.